In a significant diplomatic win for New Delhi, Iran stated that the 16 Indian crew members aboard Portuguese flagship MSC Aries would be released soon. Iranian Foreign Affairs Minister stated that the human issue of the freedom of the ship's crew is of serious concern to Iran, which is why he added that the country has announced consular access to the crew and would soon be transferred to the Indian embassy in Tehran. The remarks by Iranian Foreign Minister Amir Abdollahian were made during his conversation with Portuguese Foreign Minister Paulo Rangel, marking a significant diplomatic victory for the Indian side, which has been making efforts to ensure the safe return of the citizens to their homeland. Notably, one among the 17 crew members aboard the ship, an Indian sailor hailing from Kerala, returned home on April 18. The Portuguese flagship with 17 Indian crew members, MSC Aries, was seized by the members of Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guards while it was en route to Mumbai near the Strait of Hormuz. The seizure came amidst the heightened tension between Israel and Iran after the Iranian embassy in Syria was struck earlier this month. The Ministry of External Affairs on Thursday provided updates on the situation, stating that while one of the 17 crew members in Iran has returned safely to India, the other 16 crew members are in good health. MEA spokesperson Randhir Jaiswal said the remaining crew members will be released once their contractual obligations are fulfilled.
आपका सवाल 16 लोगों को लेके है जो जहाज पे हैं, MSV आयरिस पे। आपको ज्ञात होगा कि एक लड़की जो वहाँ थी वो वापस आ गई। जो 16 लोग हैं वो उनकी हम लोगों ने कॉन्सुलर एक्सेस मांगा था, जो हमें मिला। हम लोग के अफसर वहाँ गए, जाके मिले। वो लोग सब अपने परिवार के साथ लगातार संपर्क बनाए हुए हैं। उनका सेहत बेहतर है, अच्छा है, और वहाँ जहाज पे वो लोग कोई किसी प्रकार की कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। जहाँ तक उनके वापस आने का जो प्रश्न होता है, वो वापस आने में थोड़ी सी टेक्निकलिटीज़ है, उनके कुछ कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल ऑब्लिगेशंस हैं, वो एक बार वो पूरा हो जाए, उस पर डिपेंड करेगा कि कब वो वापस आएंगे।
Meanwhile, Iran's envoy to India, Iraj Elahi, confirmed that the Indian nationals on the seized ship were not detained, adding that they are free to travel to India. Significantly, the development came after External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar called for an urgent release of the Indian crew members during a conversation with his Iranian counterpart. External Affairs Minister Jaishankar also emphasized the importance of restraint and diplomacy amidst the escalating tensions in the region.